I will teach you how to do columns in Notion. Way to do more than one column is to add a new page, type in the name of the page, daily tasks, and then open full page. Click the three here on the upper right corner and then click full width. And then one option is to click this dotted button here and then turn page into, and there's options for 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns. Usually I put in the 5 columns and then type in type it in the days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Since there are only 5 columns, you still need 2 for Saturday and Sunday. So what I usually do here is I just add a new line, Saturday and Sunday, and then just click on this 6-dotted line and then drag to move to the side until you see this blue line here, and then release, and then do it and one more time and then release. To change the size, look for the line again, and then if you see this icon, you can move it, drag, and then there, drag. Okay, you can drag all the columns to the size of your liking, and then that's it. If you like this video and you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.